This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Gorgeous 4,200 square foot, 6-bedroom custom home built in 2013 to the highest of standards, located on a great North End street. 1 block to the oceanfront beaches and public access to Crystal Lake. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with 9 ceilings, top-of-the-line gourmet kitchen with 2 eat-up bar areas, spacious living room with custom built-in bookcases, inviting sunroom, separate dining room, luxurious primary suite with sitting area, 2 walk-in closets and private bathroom. Multiple porches, brick paver patio, 2-car garage with surfboard closet and lovely landscaped yard with fire pit, sprinkler system and landscape lighting. Other features include geothermal heat and air, whole house generator, A400 hurricane windows, triple lock exterior.